Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to download Blender and a free 3D mockup. Step 1. Go to Google and search for Blender. Click on the first website that appears in the search results. Then click on Download, choose Download Blender, and wait for the download to complete. Access the link in the description to get a free 3D mockup. Enter the number 0 to get it for free and click on Get Now. Enter your email and name, then click on Checkout, and finally on View Content, so you can download the file. After downloading the mockup, open the folder which will contain several files: the Blender project, an OBJ file of the static t-shirt, an Alembic file of the animated t-shirt, and a folder with the t-shirt's UV layout. Inside the UV folder, you'll find 3 files: a base to use for creating your designs, the t-shirt texture, and a file that can be opened with an image editor to create your own prints. Open the UV_edit file using your image editor. There's a layer that serves as a guide, indicating the front, back, right sleeve, and left sleeve of the shirt to help you design your print. Here is a custom print I made using the guide. Now let's open our Blender project. On the left is the camera lens. On the right is the area where we'll change the t-shirt prints. And further to the right are the 3D mockups of the static and animated t-shirts. The static t-shirt rotates 360 degrees on the Z-axis, and the other t-shirt is animated walking. If you want to hide the static t-shirt and disable its render, click on these 2 icons. To show the animated t-shirt and enable its render, click on these 2 icons. To change the print on the animated t-shirt, select it. Click on this folder icon, and choose the PNG file of the print you created in the image editor. To render the t-shirt with your new print, just click on this folder icon, select the folder where you want to save the render. Then click on Render and choose Render Animation. For further questions, reach out to me on Instagram at AndrpXL.